Okay, students, today we are going to do practical on the flower dissection, and we are going to dissect today Hibiscus rosea sinensis, that is our China rose, and it belongs to the Malvaceae family. So here we can see that it is having the petals, that is fused petals and syncarpus, see, and it is it is having epicalyx and the sepals here. Okay, so this epicalyx, see, there is many epicalyx that are actually not joined to each other, whereas the sepal you can see that it is joined with each other. Okay, so five epicalyx we can see here, and sepals are also fused together. So we are going to dissect this flower part by part. So before that we need the needle here and a blade and also one filter paper. So now we are going to first dissect it by first separating the epicalyx. So first we are separating the epicalyx one by one. There may be 5, there may be 7, but it should be in odd number. Epicalyx remains in odd number. And this flower is always, you will have to remember that this is a bisexual flower. That is, it is both having the stamens and the pistil in the same flower. So now I am separating the sepal portion. So this is our sepal, you can see this, as it is fused with one another. 5 sepals are there. Now we are going to separate the petals one by one. This is a twisted estivation petal, one over the other. 5 petals, polypetalous, and now we are separating it one by one. So this is our male and the female part together. Now we are going to dissect this as well. We are going to separate this as well with the help of a needle. So now we have separated the male from the female part. Now if I will arrange it, see, these are the petals. These are our petals. This is our female part, and this one is our male part. These are the green epicalyx that we had separated first, and this is the sepal. So this you can see, this is the stigma, style, and this is the ovary, and this is the male part of the flower having the pollen grains and the anthers and the filament. Okay, and these are the petals, and this is the sepal and the epicalyx. So this is how we are going to dissect the flower, that is China rose, and afterwards we are going to also see the placentation, that is the ovary, how we will dissect the ovary, and inside the ovary there are chambers of the ovules. So this is how you will have to dissect the whole flower of hibiscus. Thank you. So this is how we had dissected the flower. After that we had just arranged it in a paper, and I have labeled the part C. This is the corolla, 5 petals, then the epicalyx, the calyx, that is also known as the sepals, and this is the gynoecium part, as you can see, and I have marked it as the stigma, style, and the ovary. And this is the androecium part, that is the anthers are there, and there are also some pollen grains inside the anthers, as we all know. So this is the total flower that we have dissected into parts, that is our China rose and the Hibiscus rosa sinensis, which is the scientific name.